Projectors are no longer just devices for dark home theaters. Modern laser projectors are revolutionizing the way we present, entertain, and interact with visual content in both professional and commercial environments. Among the new breed of high-performance projectors, the BenQ LU935ST Laser Projector stands out as a combination of power, precision, and versatility that's hard to beat. This is a projector designed for environments that demand more than just a basic image. It's for spaces where brightness, clarity, and installation flexibility are essential. One of the first things that grabs attention is the 5500 lumens brightness. This isn't a number to skim over. In real-world terms, it means this projector can perform in well-lit rooms without dimming the impact of the image. Classrooms with large windows, conference rooms with overhead lights, or exhibition spaces can all benefit from the LU935ST's ability to maintain clear, vibrant visuals. The projector doesn't just perform in low light, it thrives in high ambient light conditions, which makes it incredibly versatile for professional applications. The projector's laser light source is another major selling point. Unlike traditional lamp-based projectors that require frequent replacements and lose brightness over time, this laser system offers up to 20,000 hours of consistent performance. That's years of worry-free use without the hassle of changing lamps or dealing with fading output. Additionally, laser light ensures superior color consistency and contrast, meaning every image is sharp, accurate, and reliable over its lifetime. This is particularly crucial for environments like training centers, simulation setups, or business presentations where image fidelity matters. The LU935ST's short throw lens is a game-changer for installation flexibility. Many projectors require large distances to project a sizable image, which can be limiting in small or crowded spaces. With this short throw lens, you can achieve large, bright projections from just a few feet away. This reduces shadows when someone moves in front of the screen and opens up creative possibilities for tight or unconventional setups like VR environments, simulators, or interactive exhibits. Short throw also simplifies installation in classrooms or boardrooms, making it more practical for everyday use. Design and installation adaptability are another area where the LU935ST excels. The projector supports 360-degree projection, meaning it can be mounted on the ceiling, floor, or even sideways while maintaining perfect image orientation. For creative setups, portrait mode projection allows for vertical displays that are ideal for exhibitions, retail signage, or interactive installations. Added features like lens shift, zoom, and keystone correction make it easier to adjust the image without physically moving the projector, which is a huge advantage during complex setups. Connectivity is extensive and practical. The LU935ST features HDMI, VGA, USB, audio ports, HDBaseT, and LAN control, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. HDBaseT, in particular, is a professional-grade feature that allows video, audio, and control signals to be transmitted over a single cable across long distances, simplifying installations in large venues. This projector is designed for professional environments where ease of integration and flexibility are key. Remote management and control are also considered. The projector is compatible with Crestron, PJ-Link, and AMX systems, allowing administrators or integrators to control and monitor multiple units remotely. This is especially useful for campuses, conference centers, or businesses managing multiple projectors, as it allows for scheduling, status checks, and adjustments without requiring physical access to each device. Performance in real-world scenarios shows the LU935ST is more than just specifications on paper. In a classroom, the projector handles bright ambient lighting while keeping presentations sharp and readable. Corporate boardrooms benefit from its WUXGA resolution, which keeps spreadsheets, charts, and visuals detailed and clear. For simulation and immersive setups, the short throw lens and high brightness create a professional, cinematic experience without the need for excessive space. Exhibitions and signage also gain from the projector's ability to operate in portrait mode or at unconventional angles, giving designers maximum creative freedom. The WUXGA resolution, 1920 by 1200, ensures that every detail is crisp, while the projector's color accuracy and contrast maintain realism in every scene. Motion handling is smooth, which is important for video playback, live demonstrations, and interactive content. Unlike standard projectors that struggle with motion blur or inconsistent brightness, this model maintains image integrity in every scenario. Long-term reliability is a key advantage of laser technology.